So I wanted to show you this really cool razor. This is by the Grooming Society. This is just a super nice, high quality razor that has inexpensive disposable blades. So you're not gonna have to worry about buying those expensive cartridge blades anymore. So let me show you how to put this together here. So it's cool. It comes in like 3 different parts here. So you can take the handle off. This handle does have a little bit of weight to it too. It's made out of metal. And then you can see that there's like a screw here. You can just push that right up. And then inside there is this blade. So it is a double-ended blade. It is super sharp, so you just got to be careful. And that blade, as you can see, it has holes, and it just fits right on that cartridge right here. Just like that. Put the bottom part back on, and then just screw it back in. So this razor is great for all skin types. It's going to give you like a really close shave. I just absolutely love it. I love trimming up the edges, my beard with it. Doesn't leave any razor burn. Also comes with 10 disposable blades, so it's going to definitely save you a lot of money. And it's also going to be great for the environment too, because you're not going to be getting all those disposable cartridges. You're just going to be getting these razors, and this thing is going to last so long. So this is just a super high quality razor blade. It's very well designed, just has a great overall look to it. I really like it. I'm going to start using this more and more, definitely, especially for trimming up the edges here, maybe even clean up here. So overall, this is a great quality razor. If you're looking for one, I highly recommend.